వైద్య రంగంలో కొత్త ఆలోచనలతో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముందుకెళ్లేలా సహాయం చేస్తామని కేంద్ర ఆరోగ్య శాఖ మంత్రి జేపీ నడ్డా హామీ ఇచ్చారు. ఎయిమ్స్ శంకుస్థాపన సందర్భంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన బహిరంగ సభలో మాట్లాడిన ఆయన దేశంలో ఆరోగ్య సేవల విస్తరణకు వచ్చిన 18 నెలల్లోనే 10 ఎయిమ్స్ల స్థాపనకు చర్యలు తీసుకున్నట్టు తెలిపారు. 70 వైద్య కళాశాలల్లో అధునాతన సేవలు అందించి సామాన్యులకు మెరుగైన వైద్యం అందించేందుకు కృషి చేస్తున్నామన్నారు.
I thank the state government for giving 193 hectares of land. This All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which is going to be constructed at the cost of 1,620 crores within a short span of 3 years. It will have all super specialities, and one very important feature which I'd like to stress here is, with these 10 All India Institute of Medical Sciences coming up, we will be able to fill the gap of approximately 16,300 beds additional will be added. Each All India Institute of Medical Sciences will be having a capacity, minimum capacity of 960 beds. In the country, we are trying to develop super speciality blocks in 70 existing medical colleges. Not only that, we are trying to see that these district hospitals are upgraded into medical colleges. And in our scheme, 58 medical colleges have been selected, hospitals, district hospitals have been selected, which will develop as a medical college and work for the rural India. That today morning we had a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji, and the Union government has decided that New Andhra will have one state cancer institute and one tertiary care center. And I assure on Government of India, on behalf of Government of India, that with Andhra Pradesh we will enter into these innovations, and Andhra Pradesh will be one of the places where all types of new innovations will be experimented. I am also happy to note that the Chief Minister has said that any best practices done in other states can be also replicated here in Andhra Pradesh. I think with this dynamism, Andhra Pradesh is going to take leap in the health sector. That is what I feel.